shredded carrots. Some chopped celery. Alright, I'm just going to add in some salt now. We have got our turkey and chicken gravies, butter. We got some carrot slices, celery. Now I'm adding in some pepper. We also got our curd and our green beans. And I have just got here my 3 chicken pot pies from Costco. And we are just going to take these pies to the next level. That's just my all white meat premium chicken. I'm going to come in with my masher tools and I'm going to start breaking up my pies here. Just mash, 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 mash. And of course you can buy your vegetables frozen or fresh, cut up or cut them yourself. There's so many options that you can do with this easy family style dinner. Coming in with my hot babichi flippers. Ooh, look at that beautiful chicken in pot pies. And see, we're just expanding these pies to the next level. We're adding the corn in, the celery, the carrots. We've got that delicious pie dough, but don't you worry, there's gonna be plenty of that to go around because we've got something extra special we're going to add in to top this off and make it even more delicious and luxurious. This is such a fun thing to do for the family reunion, family gatherings. We just put some extra gravy in, and this is a way to make these Costco pies really go a long way and get them to feed a big group of people, especially if you've got a big family like me and they're coming from across the country and they're hungry and they are ready to have a nice hearty home style meal. You guys are not going to want to miss this. This is going to come out so great. Alrighty, y'all. This is ready. Now, some of you might love the Cheddar Bay biscuits as much as I do. You're going to love this. Just going to come in here and pan up my hands. And now I got my biscuit dough here. And this is the best way to do a Cheddar Bay biscuit. You're just going to want to drop biscuits all over on top here. This is the most delicious way possible that you can make a chicken pot pie, y'all, and especially this family style easy dinner. This is my absolute favorite. I'm just gonna keep dropping these, drop, 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 until we've got all of our biscuits evenly dispersed. All right, our biscuits are evenly dispersed. Now I'm just gonna close the lid on my hababichi for about 20 minutes. Alrighty, we've been cooking our pot pie hababichi for just about 20 minutes and it is just about done. I'm just gonna brush all of my Cheddar Bay Red Lobster biscuits here with some butter. As you're supposed to, it comes with that seasoning packet. But look at how perfect our pot pie is inside. It's so you can make a sheet pan pie or you can make a hababichi pot pie. It is America's favorite food though. And it is pot pie season, y'all. It's cool outside. It's cool here. You could use your Blackstone in your garage if you need to. We're just using ours outside because it's about 50 degrees. Not snowing, but it's not the warmest. All right, y'all, moment of truth. I'm gonna get down in here. Ooh, look at all that beautiful, beautiful pot pie filling. Your church congregation, your family reunion, the backyard wedding, everyone is going to love this. Oh, I can't wait to get a delicious bite, y'all. This is gonna be so easy, so good. Y'all gotta try it.